How to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Messenger icon and head towards the chat page. Select three-bar icon at top left. Now choose gear icon and at the top right from the menu section. Here you need to scroll down and locate privacy and safety option. Select that. And now choose end-to-end encrypted chats. Select message storage. And now here you simply need to turn off secure storage if you have turned on in order to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. Further, select delete secure storage and tap on continue. And after that, you will successfully turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.